Welcome to a brief lesson on AWS VPN services. AWS VPN is comprised of two highly available, fully managed, and elastic VPN services. They are AWS Client VPN and AWS Site-to-Site VPN. AWS Client VPN is a fully managed, remote access VPN solution used by your remote workforce to securely access resources within both AWS and your on-premises network. It is fully elastic and automatically scales up or down based on demand, so there is no need to manage VPN hardware or software. AWS Site-to-Site VPN is a fully managed service that creates a secure connection between your data center or branch office and your AWS resources using IPsec tunnels. When using Site-to-Site VPN, you can connect to both your Amazon VPC as well as AWS Transit Gateway, and also 2 tunnels per connection are used for increased redundancy. Use the accelerated Site-to-Site VPN option to provide better performance by working with AWS Global Accelerator to intelligently route your traffic when using globally distributed applications. Now let's take a look at the AWS Site-to-Site VPN features. Let's start with high availability. The AWS Site-to-Site VPN delivers high availability by using 2 tunnels across multiple availability zones within the AWS global network. You can stream primary traffic through the first tunnel and use the second tunnel for redundancy. If one tunnel goes down, traffic continues to flow. Next is secure connectivity. AWS Site-to-Site VPN uses OpenVPN, which utilizes a TLS encrypted control channel to negotiate the data channel parameters. The data channel is SSL-based, but adds additional safeguards, such as hash-based message authentication code, or HMAC, hashing, and X.509 certificates. Robust monitoring about your Site-to-Site VPN is available with CloudWatch to provide you with greater visibility with robust metrics and custom metrics. With CloudWatch, you can send your own custom metrics and add data points in any order, and at any rate you choose. From there, you can retrieve statistics about those data points as an ordered set of time series data. AWS Site-to-Site VPN offers customizable tunnel options, including inside tunnel IP address, pre-shared key, and Border Gateway Protocol Autonomous System Number or BGP ASN. In this way, you can set up multiple secure VPN tunnels to increase the bandwidth for your applications, or for resiliency. You can also set up equal cost multipath routing, or ECMP, using AWS Transit Gateway. Now, let's review the AWS Client VPN features. AWS Client VPN is fully managed, so it automatically takes care of deployment, capacity provisioning, and service updates. This allows you to monitor all connections from a single console. For authentication, AWS Client VPN will use either Active Directory or certificates. Client VPN integrates with AWS Directory Services, which connects to your existing on-premises Active Directory, so it does not require you to replicate data from your existing Active Directory to the cloud. Certificate-based authentication with Client VPN integrates with AWS Certificate Manager to easily provision, manage, and deploy certificates. For authorization, AWS Client VPN is network-based, so you can define access control rules that limit access to specific networks based on Active Directory groups. For connection management, use Amazon CloudWatch logs to monitor, store, and access your log files from AWS Client VPN connection logs. You can then retrieve the associated log data from CloudWatch logs to monitor, conduct forensics analysis, and terminate specific connections.